The Maya were a thriving civilization until everything was taken away from them. They were erased from history, and no one knows how their empire fell. The Maya were fierce warriors, and their advanced civilization was located in Mesoamerica. The Mayan reign was split up into three periods: the pre-classic, the classic, and the post-classic. The pre-classic period lasted from 2000 BCE to 300 BCE, and during this period, the Mayans farmed off the land and lived very simple lives. During the classic period from 300 BCE to 900 CE, they built complex temples and observatories without using metal tools or wheels. During the post-classic period, Mayan cities were prospering, but they had fewer achievements. We know a lot about the Mayans from the hieroglyphics or glyphs that they used, which were based on the Olmec writing, but the Mayans made it their own.
What are you doing?
I'm marking how many days have passed since the rain.
How many?
34.
Should we hold a ritual to the rain god?
Yes.
When?
3 moons from now.
Will that be too late?
I hope not.
And what if the rain god doesn't reply?
We may have to move north.
The Maya's class structure went from ruler at the top to priests and nobles. Next, there were the merchants and artisans, then to the peasants, and finally the slaves. The Maya had many rituals and ceremonies like the 3-month, the 4-month, and the coming-of-age ceremony. The Mayans were polytheistic, which means they believed in many gods. They also believed in human sacrifice and made offerings to the gods. The Mayans also played a game called Talk. The objective of the game was to get a ball through a thin stone hoop placed on the court using heads, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and hips. The team that lost was sacrificed, and the captain got beheaded. The Mayans had 2 types of agricultural techniques: slash and burn, which they used when the ground was too wet, or they built terraces. The terraces were built on a hill like giant steps. The Mayan reign eventually came to an end in 900 CE. But some towns in the northern Yucatan Peninsula prospered and no one knows what happened. The Mayans were advanced for their time.